How to make natural ginger essential oil for muscle pain. Ginger oil helps relieve muscle pain and rheumatism, as well as fractures. Ginger oil is generally safe, but make sure not to use it in strong concentrations. Please do a skin patch test before using ginger oil, especially if you have sensitive skin. What you need: 1. 1½ cups olive oil. 2. 1 cup fresh ginger. Directions: 1. Rinse your ginger thoroughly, allow it to dry completely or for a few hours. Shred your ginger using a cheese grater. 2. Pour the olive oil into an oven-safe bowl. Add ginger and mix well to combine. 3. Transfer your mixture to the oven, leave it to simmer at 150 degrees Fahrenheit for at least 2 hours. 4. Pour your mixture through an unbleached cheesecloth in order to filter ginger oil. 5. Pour the ginger oil into clean bottles, store in a cool and dry place. Store for up to 6 months. Thanks for watching. Please, like, share and subscribe for more natural beauty hacks and tips.